Hello students, welcome to English class. Today we will do present continuous tense. Present progressive, or you can say continuous tense. Now read these sentences. I am reading a story book. You are doing your project work. The children are playing in the giant's garden. Now here, the present progressive tense is used to express an action that is happening at the time of speaking. It means if right now we are speaking these sentences, means at the same time that action is happening. Now see in the picture, what is the boy doing? The boy is reading the book. Right now he is reading the book. At the time, at this time, whatever is happening, to express that action we use present continuous tense. Okay? For verbs in the present progressive tense, or you can say present continuous tense, we write is/am/are plus main verb, means first form of the verb, plus ing. As you can see in the sentences, in first sentence after subject I they have used am, then first form read, and then ing. In second sentence subject you, after subject they have used are, then first form of the verb do, and with do they have used ing, and then in the third sentence the children is subject, and after the children they have used are, and then first form of the verb play, and with play plus ing, playing. Okay, now let us see some more examples of present continuous tense. She is crying. She is crying. He is talking to his friend. The baby is sleeping in his crib. We are visiting the museum in the afternoon. Now here you can see is crying, is talking, is sleeping, are visiting. They have used is/am/are first form, and with first form they have used ing. In present continuous tense negative, we will use not here. Okay, after is/am/are we will use not. For example, he is not standing. Anthony is not sitting in the chair. You are not watching the movie. Rose is not reading a book. Now here is not standing. In second sentence is not sitting. In third sentence are not watching. And last sentence is not reading. Is/am/are not first form, and then ing with first form of the verb. Now let us see present continuous tense interrogative. When you ask question in present continuous tense. First, is she laughing? Helping verb is/am/are. We will use first, and then subject will come. Then first form of the verb, and then ing. Is she laughing? Question mark. Are they listening to the teacher? Is the baby drinking his bottle? Are you going? Now here you can see helping verb, then subject, then first form of the verb with first form of the verb ing. Helping verb are, subject, first form of the verb and ing. Helping verb, subject, first form of the verb and ing. So this way we make the sentences in present continuous tense. I hope you all have understood how to make sentences in present continuous tense. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.